I laughed with people during the day, but every night I broke apart inside. Nobody knew how tired I was. Nobody heard the silent battles in my head. I asked God, why does life hurt this much? And when I almost gave up, He whispered softly, son, don't leave yet. Ndakanga ndaneta, moyo wangu wakuremerwa, misozi chidona, ndisinano ndinzwa, daiti upenyu wapera, daiti handichina simba, asizwire nyura kandishereza, mwanangu simuka. When darkness filled my room and silence became my friend, I heard heaven calling me not to give up in the end. When depression said, you are better gone, God held my shaking hands and told me, hold on. Ndisiyei Ndichirarama, let me live. But I still need your love. Ndichadi kufa murima.
I wanna see the light again.
Jehovah ndivatewo
before I fall apart. Ndisiyei Ndichirarama.
My story cannot end like this.
Jesu ndiponese.
I carried wounds nobody saw, smiled while drowning deep inside. Every prayer felt unanswered. Every day I slowly died. I almost disappeared forever. Thought nobody cared at all, but heaven shouted through my pain, you were born to stand tall. Usiguhese ndichichema,
Ndichiti mwari muribi,
asinyasha zenyu dzakandiwana,
pakati peri maguru,
nasindava kusimuka,
handichasungwa nekutya,
Jesu muri kundisimudza,
ndichafamba nechiedza.
I will not die today.
I will not give up now.
Mariva chirineni,
Even in this storm,
hamuna kundisiya.
makabata mweya wangu,
When I wanted to disappear,
you called me back to life.
let me live.
Ndisiyei Ndichirarama,
I still wanna see tomorrow.
Jesu ndibatsire,
Don't let darkness bury me.
mwari ndichengete.
I hear you calling me. Back to live. Back to live.
Ndisiyei Ndichirarama,
Panetariro muna Jesu. There is healing in His name. Handichafira murima,
I choose life today.
mwari me leave. My story's not over.
Not over yet.
If you are listening tonight, please don't give up. One more prayer,
One more sunrise.
one more chance. God is still holding your life together.